are homes that simply exist, and there are homes that breathe, filled with light, calm, and quiet stories of everyday beauty. Welcome to a space where design meets serenity, and every corner feels like a gentle embrace. The journey begins in a sun-drenched kitchen and dining area, a heart of the home bathed in skylight. Soft blue cabinetry and warm wood accents strike the perfect balance between modern charm and timeless comfort. Here, mornings unfold gently, coffee brewing, laughter echoing across the open plan as daylight dances on the oak floor. It's a place that invites gathering, a place that feels alive. Step further into the living room, where texture and tone create an atmosphere of understated luxury. Built-in shelves frame the space with quiet sophistication, while the classic fireplace anchors the room with heritage warmth. Natural light filters through large windows, touching every surface with softness. It's the kind of space that slows your pulse, the kind where stories are shared and evenings linger longer than planned. The staircase connects each moment of the home, its striped runner and crisp white walls guiding you upward with rhythm and grace. Every turn reveals another chapter, another layer of light and life intertwined. In the bedroom, calm takes center stage. Soft tones of cream and blush melt into one another, creating a cocoon of stillness. Textiles invite touch, light flows gently through drapery, and the world outside feels beautifully distant. This is where the day exhales, a sanctuary designed for rest and reflection.
Every room in this home tells a story, not of perfection, but of peace. It's a home designed to be lived in, loved in, and remembered, where the true beauty lies not only in how it looks, but in how it feels.